Hey there, it's Guarda. Today we're going to show you how you can get Stellar with Guarda Wallet. There are of course many ways. You can mine it, you can receive it by transaction, or you can exchange your current funds for Stellar, as we're going to show it in this video. First of all, you go to the Exchange tab, choose from which currency you wish to exchange, in my case it's gonna be Ethereum, and you choose your Stellar wallet. Then you choose the amount. I'm gonna say 279 XLM will be good enough for me. Then I press Next, check the details of the transaction, and then I press Confirm. Stellar is great to have, because it aims to help facilitate cross-asset transfer of value at a fraction of a penny, while aiming to be an open financial system that gives people of all income levels access to low-cost financial services. So if I want, I can always exchange it back to any other currency I wish. After some time, your exchange will be done. And congratulations, you have some Stellar in your Guarda wallet. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video with questions to Guarda Wallet or about cryptocurrency. We are always happy to answer them.